Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add a square root symbol to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code. So we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell, and we'll create a empty square root symbol. So here we'll add in LaTeX code, which is a backslash followed by sqrt, and then an opening and closing curly brackets. So now we add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So this would create an empty square root symbol here centered in the middle of the Markdown cell. We can also add square root symbols with contents. The square root symbol with content. And here we'll add in a backslash sqrt followed by the letter X. And then before the LaTeX code, we add $2 symbols as well as $2 symbols after. So here is a square root symbol with the letter X in the middle. And so the LaTeX code here for square root symbols can actually also be shown inline. So to do that, we just need to add a single dollar symbol. So show square root symbol inline, followed by a single dollar symbol, and then the LaTeX code, and then a single dollar symbol after the LaTeX code. So once we run this, we have a square root X here in line with the text. So this is how to add a square root symbol to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.